Welcome to the next installment of the Train Vicar. Today I'm here in Ashburton at the grain store of Malt Europe. Here barley from out the Mid Canterbury region is brought and then it's stored and regularly put into these railway wagons. From here these wagons are then hauled northwards on trains to Martin, at the malting plant for Malt Europe.
These hopper wagons are brought from the grain store to the Ashburton rail yard and then attached onto trains going northwards to Christchurch. In Christchurch then they are shunted onto trains to Picton. For example, here 3 of the hopper wagons with barley are seen on a train as it makes its way through the northern suburbs of Christchurch on its way to Picton. And in Picton, the hopper wagons are shunted on the rail ferry for their voyage across the Cook Strait to the North Island. Currently, the only rail ferry is the Aratere, which was built in 1998. If that ship is not available, it's very difficult to get barley from Ashburton to Martin. After all, the hopper wagons are significantly more efficient than using grain containers. Once the wagons reach the North Island in Wellington, they are taken off the ferry and then sent by rail to Palmerston North, and from there by a special shunt to Martin to the malting plant of Malt Europe. On their travels, the barley wagons may disturb the peace of a graveyard here and there, but clearly this way of moving goods is a lot less intrusive and a lot more environmentally friendly than sending the barley by road.
If you are drinking New Zealand malted beer, it's quite likely that the barley for that was transported on these railway wagons from Ashburton to Martin. These railway wagons with barley would have gone on several trains and also on the ferries. And because I'm drinking beer, I'm allowed to be opinionated and political. So it's quite clear that for beer to be good and relatively affordable in New Zealand, we need the railways and we need rail ferries. Therefore, well, it's time to tell the government that we do need rail-enabled ferries for that. If we want a good life, we need the basis of a good railway system, and that railway system needs to be connected through rail ferries from the South Island to the North Island. And I continue with my opinions. It's similar in society in general. If we want the good and the free life in this country, we do need Christianity as the basis of our values here.
From the wide Ashburton plains, barley's carried north on trains. Malted beer it's gonna be, barley's going across the sea. Ferries sail the waves of life, faith can cut through any strife. North and south we come to see what the good life really means. Wagons going on the ship make an easy and smooth trip. Ferries make the network one, make connections good and strong. the good life really means. Wagons going on the ship make an easy and smooth trip. Ferries make the network one, make connections good and strong. Ferries sail the waves of life, faith can cut through any strife. North and south we come to see what the good life